just remember, 0 locations. Give me a huge thumbs up. Today, we're going to play. So there's a toy inside of this egg, and we're going to erupt it.
So first, we are going.
No, not yet. Okay,
First, we're going to put vinegar.
And then we're going to put this in. And then, once that touches the other ingredients, it's going to explode.
Oh, well, Mom, that's a lot.
That's what it said.
So, I guess Mom put a lot.
And now,
Oh, it's already reacting with that.
put it in.
And then, you have anything to stir it?
Wait, no, don't touch it. Just wait.
I think we need a spoon.
Go get a spoon, Brenna.
Eggs are definitely wrapped.
I guess vinegar can travel fast. Look. And doesn't it look so cool?
Mm-hmm.
Brennan, touch it. It's like foam.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. That was so cool. Wait, Brennan, push down on that part.
I don't think we have. Wait. I think it's supposed to be like that.
Be careful. The egg is in the way.
I think the egg is making it, like, react.
Oh, yeah. We have to wait for it to die down a little.
So you should.
It's already
exploding.
To pause it? No, there's more creatures inside. There's creatures.
Whoa, it's so cool. Wait, unpause it. Whoa.
Look.
Guys, this is really foamy.
Yeah, look.
And
Look at the egg.
it rolled all the way to over there. Wow.
Oh, guys, this is getting soft.
Yeah, very. And also bumpy. Wee. Okay, guys, if you don't know, Caleb broke his arm yesterday. Just
3 days ago.
Just giving you a tip.
3 days ago.
We didn't film it because that was gonna be sad.
3 days ago.
Yeah. Oh, I think that was. Oh yeah, that was 3 days ago. I meant, but so we're gonna pause you, okay?
We're gonna dump all this extra goop out so we can get the egg.
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Now.
Maybe we should crack it a little because I don't think it's gonna erupt.
I don't think it's cracking a lot.
Oh, there it is. Wait, can I try? Because you're smashing it, so.
I can't quite see.
Ooh, look at this. So again,
Okay, we're gonna pause you for a sec, okay, guys? And then we'll show you the little creature. Adorable. Hey, guys, we have the creature.
Let me see.
It
what
is
his
so
name is.
adorable. Oh, look at this egg. I'm gonna break it. Guys, so we might film another video today. We might, okay? Bye.
I already did film another video today.
Let's find out his name, and then we'll say bye to the camera.
Okay.
And just so you know, guys, he was born in this.
His name is Bello, and he is common. Common as in he's found a lot. So, see you guys later.